皆さん、はじめまして。Ruby 千鶴子です。どうぞよろしくお願いします。Hi everyone, I'm Chizuko Ruby. I'm in for Nasu Sensei until she's able to come back to the classroom. A little bit about myself. I'm originally from Yokohama, in Kanagawa Prefecture, right there, just below Tokyo. I moved to the United States when I was 16 with my family. My father was an English teacher in Japan, and his longtime dream was to come to the United States and study the method of teaching English. And when he finally had a chance, he just moved the whole family over. A little bit of other things. I studied piano and percussion in college, and I played drums at some point. I would like to get back in playing music instruments at some point in the future. And I do love anime and manga, and my daughter, she really liked Demon Slayer, and she begged me to watch it with her at one time, well, a couple months ago. And when I finally did, I enjoyed it, and it's actually is my favorite right now. Pets, I had cats and dogs, and my son, actually, he wants to have cats, and well, we don't have any right now, so he really wants like small cats, but I'm telling him to wait for a little bit longer. And I do love coffee, so you might see me around with my coffee in my hand. So my family. I have a daughter who's 11 years old. She just started middle school. My son is 8 years old and he's in 3rd grade. And this is my son with my mom. And my mom actually lives in Renton, and she does not speak English very much. So I often have to help her out. This is something fun we did during the summer. My daughter really wanted me to do cosplaying with her, and I finally did, and she enjoyed it. And I actually enjoyed that with her too. And we recorded some videos and just, be goofy and fun. Okay, my teaching experience, my more of a professional side. I have collectively over 10 years of teaching experience. My endorsements are in Japanese, music, and ELL. Although I haven't used my music endorsements, I do love teaching Japanese, and I liked teaching ELL as well. I have Masters of Education from Central Washington University. And among the years that I taught, I mostly taught Japanese at a middle school and mostly in high schools. 3 years of that was in ELL, and with ELL, I taught elementary school and mostly middle schools. And that was fun, but I really wanted to get back in teaching Japanese, so I'm happy that I was able to do that this year. For Japanese class, what you need, what I would like everyone to prepare if you can, is a small whiteboard with dry eraser markers and eraser. That way you don't have to share the whiteboard in class, and that would keep everyone healthier. So, and a notebook or binder with loose leaf papers, that would be good too. Because when you're taking notes, you have everything in one place. That would be good, so you don't have to look all over the place. And same as handouts. If you can keep in one place with a folder, that would be really nice. And I encourage students to use pencils rather than pens. So when you made mistakes, or if the letters, like characters, were not quite as good as you wanted, you can just erase and rewrite it, and that looks cleaner than going like this and scratching it out. So if you would use pencils, that would be great. Okay. Lastly, contact information. If you would like to email me, my email address is cruby@nsd.org. And if you would like to contact Nasu Sensei and say hi, or see how she's doing, you can email her at nnasu@nsd.org. And I'm sure, like nice email message, she would like that. Okay, that's it for my Japanese class. I look forward to meeting the parents. Hopefully I have a chance to do that. And for students, I will see you guys in my Japanese class. All right, goodbye.